Hello, in this video I'm going to unbox the Xiaomi Mi Band 3 and show it versus the older version, the Xiaomi Mi Band 2. I added them both, just received the Mi Band 3. By the way, if you like this video, you can share it, like it, or subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also buy this watch, this band, via the link in the description of this video. There's also a link in the description of the video on how to convert the firmware into an English one, since it comes with Chinese version. I've been using the Mi Band 2 since January when I first received it, and I just love it. Hopefully this will even be better. It arrived nicely packed. The manual is in Chinese, useless. I think that I'll also make a video on how to convert the firmware into English. This is after I did the conversion. Has a stopwatch, synchronizes the weather from the phone. Today it's Wednesday. On the weekend, I'm going to wear both watches, both bands, and see how they match against each other. Subscribe to my channel to see that future video. There's a stopwatch. Got way more features. A touch screen, unlike the Mi Band 2. Let's compare them against each other. I think that the display is clearer on the Mi Band 3. It's more whiter, more brighter. The Mi Band 3 is larger. Read the description of this video. I recommend on buying the Mi Band 3, and if you like the Mi Band 2, this is an upgrade. The chargers are not compatible. It takes getting used to. Have fun.